Want to save more money without turning your life upside down? You don't need complicated budgets or financial degrees. Today, I'm giving you 5 super simple, effective money-saving tips you can start using immediately. Let's get into it. Tip number 1 is the 24-hour rule. It's easy to fall into the trap of impulse shopping, especially online. So here's the hack. If you find something you want, don't buy it immediately. Wait 24 hours. If you still feel like you truly need it after a day, then go ahead. But most of the time, the urge fades, and that's money saved. Tip 2, cancel subscriptions you don't use. We're talking about that gym membership you haven't touched in months, that app you downloaded once, or those 5 streaming services you barely rotate through. Check your bank or PayPal statements. You might be surprised how much is leaking every month without you realizing. Tip 3, try a no-spend weekend. That's right, one weekend where you commit to spending $0. It's not about being extreme, it's about being creative. Cook with what you already have at home. Visit a park, read, journal, watch free YouTube content like this one. Tip 4, automate your savings. Most people say they'll save what's left over, but let's be honest, there's never much left. Instead, set up an auto transfer of just $10 or $20 a week to your savings account. It adds up over time, and you won't even notice it's gone. Tip 5, have cash-only days. 1 or 2 days a week, leave your card at home. Carry only a set amount of cash. Paying with physical money actually makes you more mindful. You feel the cost more than with digital payments, and it helps you spend less. Bonus tip, unsubscribe from marketing emails. Fewer ads equals fewer temptations. Trust me, your inbox and your wallet will thank you. If you found even one of these tips useful, do me a favor. Like this video, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button. Every week, we'll bring you more simple, actionable money advice. No fluff, no jargon, just real talk. This is Wealth Made Simple. See you in the next one.